In a world filled with stress, pressure, and daily challenges, the family should be the place where we find comfort, support, and emotional safety. But many homes today face tension, misunderstandings, and conflicts that create distance between family members. Family peace isn't just a beautiful idea, it's a foundation that shapes our emotional stability, strengthens our relationships, and helps us grow as individuals. In this video, we will explore the real meaning of family peace, the reasons families lose it, the consequences of losing it, and most importantly, how we can restore peace in our homes step by step.
Family peace means living in a home where respect, love, communication, and understanding are present. It doesn't mean the absence of problems, but the ability to deal with them calmly and wisely. A peaceful family listens, supports, and accepts each other.
A home should be a place of calm and comfort, but sometimes peace missing. Let's see why. Poor communication, which leads to people stopping talking and problems growing. Constant arguments, resulting in stress and tension in the home. Lack of respect, causing family members to feel unappreciated. Stress and pressure, and as a result, everyone feels emotionally worn out. Unfair responsibilities, which brings conflicts and family instability. Lack of quality time, causing children to act out or feel. 1. Calm and honest communication helps everyone feel heard and understood. 2. Respecting each other's feelings and space makes everyone feel valued. 3. Focus on solving problems instead of blaming others. 4. Sharing responsibilities reduces stress on one person. 5. Spending quality time together strengthens family bonds. 6. Taking a moment to breathe helps control anger.
And after all these solutions, here's the most important message. Family peace doesn't happen by accident. It's something we build every day with love, patience, and understanding. When each of us makes a small effort, the whole home becomes a safer, warmer place. Let's choose peace for ourselves and for the people we love.